Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my sleek low buns with my natural curly hair. It's super quick routine, literally only 5 minutes. I love this routine because honestly, I can always put my hair back on a rainy, humid day or when I just don't feel like dealing with my hair. So I really hope this helps you guys out too.
Amazing, look at her. You better subscribe, you better comment, you better like the video, you better tell a friend, their friend better tell their friend better tell their grandma better tell their great grandma, and tell them to subscribe to her channel in the next life.
Amen.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
So that's how you do a super quick slick down bun. It's super easy. It literally took me like 5 minutes. Of course, if it's gonna be your first time trying it out, it might take a little longer, but practice makes perfect. Anyways, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys.